James Shoolbred. James Shoolbred and Company was a draper and later a department store located on Tottenham Court Road, London. James Shoolbred and Company aka Jas Shoolbred were established in the 1820s at 155 Tottenham Court Road. It was originally a draper's supplying the furniture trade. In the late 1860s/early 1870s, the company began designing, manufacturing, and selling high-quality furniture of their own design. Their sophisticated designs referenced Regency aesthetics, which were informed by antiquity Greek/Roman styles. The company's sales catalog features guides to Victorian home owners about how to put room sets together to achieve a desirable aesthetic, a guide to good taste. In the 1880s, Shoolbred had opened the city's first large department store on Tottenham Court Road, London. In the mid-1880s, Schoolbred was granted a Royal Warrant, testament to the quality of their furniture. The company ceased trading in 1931. References equals